In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview files in Google Drive without downloading them on a computer. Previewing is great when you just need a quick look at a document, image, video, or PDF without saving a copy to your device. It keeps your storage clean and speeds up your workflow. First, open your preferred web browser and go to http://drive.google.com. Any modern browser will work, and a reliable internet connection helps everything load smoothly. Next, sign in to your Google account. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly in your Drive and see your files and folders. If not, enter your credentials to continue, and you'll arrive at your My Drive homepage. Now, locate the file you want to preview. You can browse through folders as you normally do, or use the search bar at the top if you know the file name or type. Switching between grid and list view can also make it easier to spot the right file, especially if you rely on thumbnails. When you've found the file, right-click it to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This menu is where Google Drive puts quick actions for the selected item. From that menu, choose Open With, then select Preview. This tells Drive to open the built-in viewer. Unlike opening the file in a desktop app or downloading it, Preview lets you look inside instantly while keeping the original in the cloud. Your file opens in preview mode without downloading. Depending on the file type, you can scroll through pages, zoom in and out, or play media. The toolbar at the top gives you common options like printing or opening in another app, but for a quick glance, the default viewer is usually all you need. If you ever see that a specific file type won't preview, it typically means the format isn't supported for in-browser viewing, and that's expected behavior. When you're done, exit Preview by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner of the viewer, or simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. Either action will return you to your Drive right where you left off. That's it. You've just learned the simplest way to preview files in Google Drive without downloading them on your computer. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.